Tang shudap kini ban play not yakati.
Leader of opposition Mukul Sangma of the All India Trinamool Congress has demanded immediate setting up of an independent inquiry into the arrest of its youth leader Richard Mrong Marak. Marak was among the 23 persons arrested in connection with a mob attack at the Chief Minister's office in Tura on Monday. While addressing a press conference, opposition Aitc leader and former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma has accused the district police for reducing itself to an instrument of the political bosses in the government by arresting Richard Mrong Marak, who was also a candidate of the TMC from South Tura, which is represented by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma.
Today, just to give this whole thing, the district police has, as I have said, reduced itself as an instrument of the political bosses in the government. Why do I say this? Because suddenly they realize that, okay, to give it a political party, they have to arrest somebody else. So they went and arrested Mr. Richard Mrong Marak, who was also the candidate of the TMC in South Tura constituency.
The KHDC Executive Committee